Hello, Auntie Jen here. Today we're going to make Auntie Jen's gluten-free squashed egg scramble. Now not only is this gluten-free, but it's low carb and it's low acid. So those of you who have acid reflux or who are trying to watch your carbs, you can eat this too. So let's get started. These are all the food items you're going to need to make Auntie Jen's gluten-free squashed egg scramble. Okay, I've already cracked 8 eggs and put them in a bowl. Okay, so we're going to add our milk, our lactate milk. So usually what I do, I rarely use a measuring cup. So what I'm going to do, I usually count to 8, however many eggs I've got in here. I'll just count as I'm pouring. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how I do my milk. Okay, then we're going to just scramble that up just a bit. Mix the milk in with the eggs. Okay, now that we got that done, we're going to cut our squash, and I have already washed and let it drain on a paper towel. So we're going to cut up our squash now into skillets. So we'll be right back. Alright, before we cut up our squash and our zucchini, we're going to add some olive oil to our skillet. And we're going to add about enough to cover the bottom. And I usually let it go about all over the bottom of the skillet. Like so. Okay, we'll start with our zucchini. So what I'm going to do, if there's any bad spots, you definitely want to cut those out. So we're going to cut out the spot I found here. Okay, now we're just going to kind of slice them about so thick. And I usually like to cut them either half or in quarters. Today I'm just going to cut these in probably half, at least down halfway of the zucchini. And you can put in about as much zucchini as you want. Sometimes I'll even cut the half piece in half if I think it's a little bit big. And these are getting bigger, so I'm going to probably do that to those. And this zucchini and squash really gives a good flavor to the eggs. I think you will like this recipe. As you can see, I'm probably not going to use the whole zucchini, but you can save whatever's left to use in another recipe. Okay, we're going to add the yellow squash, and again, look for any spots. And we'll do these the same way we did the zucchini. Oops. Well, that one got away from me. Usually I'll use about half a squash and half a zucchini. I'll cut that one into a little bit bigger. Okay, we probably got enough zucchini and squash here now. We're going to turn it to about 7 to start. And we're going to let these brown just a little bit. So we'll take a break for a moment and let you watch this gluten-free tip. And then we'll be back to watch the frying. Okay, our zucchini's been frying about 5 minutes. So we're going to turn it over a little bit. Just move it around the skillet. You can see they're starting to get a little bit brown. That's what we want. We're going to let it fry a little bit longer at that temperature. And we'll be back again in a moment. Okay, our zucchini and squash has been frying another couple of minutes, so we're going to stir them again. Oh yeah, look how brown that's getting. That's what we want, right there. Okay. Yeah. Let's just stir them around a little bit. And we're probably going to fry these another couple of minutes, so we'll be back in a moment. Okay, our zucchini's been frying a little longer, and it's getting about to the level of brownness that we need. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now we're going to turn our temperature down to about the 3.5 level. And we're going to add in our eggs now. And after you add the eggs in, just kind of move your zucchini around so where it's all into the eggs. And it's not just bunched up in one corner or one side of the egg. Okay, we're going to let that egg fry a little bit now. And we'll be back when it's getting closer to done. Okay, we've been frying the eggs here just a little bit, so we're going to kind of go around the edge and break it loose. Then we're just going to push inward. And let what's been fried get to the center. Okay, we're going to fry a little bit more, and I'll be back when it's finished. Okay, our squashed egg scramble has been cooking about 20 minutes, so it's time to bring it to the plate. We're going to turn our burner off and bring our skillet over, and it's time to dump out a serving. This makes about 4 servings. Get a little bit of the zucchini and the squash in there. And this is what it looks like in the skillet. Okay, and there's our serving. I hope you enjoy Auntie Jen's gluten-free squashed egg scramble. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video so others can enjoy this gluten-free and low-acid, low-carb food as well. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next recipe.